Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
做马哥呀！
让我们一起进入客家文学的世界。
Hello there, it's time to learn Hakka literature here on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and this month we're going to continue to listen to Zheng Guihai's poem. This one is called Returning Home by Train.
火茶詩歌嗰片海，幾類針工嘅就會客家莊，連到時施逐田到家東。火茶慢慢滲入到總頭，故鄉變成火茶嘅玻璃盅，右邊係規範嘅大海，連啱日頭從天燈嘅木柱漸漸看得捱。左邊係又高又長嘅太湖山，能隨此太矮人嘅神山，用阿婆嘅笑容念將捱。背包表慢聲音。下茶後點點行業總督，羅嫩太西來上門，下一병茶係唔係停捱鄉下歸故鄉。
Again, this is a poem by Zheng Guihai called Returning Home by Train. It depicts the emotional journey of returning home in his work, and he skillfully expresses both longing for his hometown and desire to reconnect with its cultural roots. Now, he also combines auditory and visual elements in the work, and for those who live far from home that long to be embraced by their homeland once again would probably relate to it. Alright, 这个 Leo， 我们今天要继续介绍曾贵海的另一个作品叫做《車過歸來》。
茶溝歸來，
茶溝歸來。
在讀這個《車過歸來》茶溝歸來這首詩的時候，你會有感受到一種很安靜的一個重量這詩裡頭的歸來，其實歸來有兩個意義
它不是就是回去的意思而已嘛，歸來
對，那是那個精神層面上的意思那另外一個就是在實質上，就是在屏東縣它有個歸來車站
是這樣這麼的可愛就像幸福站、歸來站一樣的道理
沒錯所以當外地遊子到了這個歸來站之後呢，開始就有回到家鄉的感覺了所以呢，最後這個曾貴海醫師又提出了一個問題就是下一병茶係唔係停喺鄉下歸故鄉就是下一班車要不要跟我一起回到故鄉這是對客家族群的一個邀請同時也是對這個客家的黑屋賞飲提醒他們你們什麼時候要回來繼續傳承我們的客家文化
我想這個世界各地不管什麼樣的人只要是出外打拼然後回家回歸的時候的這種心情一定都感受得到好那我們就來教幾個片語好了包括歸來 How do you say return back home or return back
歸來
and then you take a train to go back home so 火車又怎麼說
火茶
and then finally your hometown 也就是故鄉
故鄉
and there you go once again about missing your hometown thank you so much for listening
什麼大家
安子 say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council